Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make Bhendea Bhaji, also known as lady finger or even okra. With simple ingredients, minimum ingredients, I'm going to make this bhaji and yet very tasty and delicious. Make this at home and you all will enjoy this. So in a simple way, I'm going to show how to make this bhaji. So let's get started. I will show how to cut the okra. This is the size what we require. Cut this size and keep it ready. So let's get started with the cooking process. Once the pan is hot, add oil 1 tablespoon. Add onion. Slice which I have taken 2 medium onion. Saute this slightly on a medium flame. So now once the onion is sweat, you slightly have to sweat the onion. This is ready now. I'm going to add tomato 1 medium. Guys, oil I have taken 1 tablespoon which is coconut oil. If you want to use vegetable, if coconut is not available, then you can use vegetable oil or olive oil even. Once you add tomato, add turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. This is a very simple recipe and yet very delicious one. You all will enjoy this. Saute just for a minute once you put haldi, turmeric powder, and then you add okra, salt. I've taken 4 dry red chilies. Check this out. Just break them in two. Keep the flame on a low. And also I will use kokum, which is 6 piece. Mix this. Guys, check this out. This, every after 2 minutes you keep on stirring it so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. This recipe is without water. As you have noticed, I have not added any water to this. And keep the flame on low so that it get cooks, and every 2 minutes you keep stirring it. I check this, how lovely it looks, and you can see there is no water added in this. On a low flame only you have to cook this 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's cover this, and not to forget, you have to stir it every after 2 minutes. Let's open this. See how delicious it is. This goes very well with the rice or even chapati. These are ready now. Now one more thing. If you want to add coconut, grated coconut in this, you can also add at this stage, and stir it for 1 or 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. Now this is ready now. I'm not going to add any coconut in my okra. I like to have it like this. And I'm going to turn off the flame, and this is ready to serve. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.